Hello, thank you for coming to learn Korean. Hangul is the pure Korean language. That king.
세종대왕.
Made by. It's in consonants and vowels. The first sound of a consonant. The vowel makes a mouth shape. For the first time, we'll learn 14 basic consonants and related words one by one. Let's start. The first consonant is
기, 역.
In the sequence of writing, draw a line from left to right. And then draw a straight line just below. Let's write it in the square again.
기역.
The word that starts with giyak is train.
기차, 기차.
The second consonant is
니, 은.
In the sequence of writing, draw a line from top to bottom, and draw a straight line in the right direction. Let's write it in the square again.
니은.
The word that starts with noon is butterfly.
나비, 나비.
The third consonant is
디귿.
The sequence of writing starts from left to right, and then comes back to the first place, and writes the ni-un that you learned in the second session. Let's write it in the square again.
디귿, 디귿.
The word that starts with D is iron.
다리미, 다리미.
The fourth consonant is
리, 을.
The sequence of writing is divided into 3 times. Write down the giyak you learned at first, and then close it horizontally from left to right. You can come back and write down the noon you learned. Let's write it in the square again.
리을, 리을.
The word that starts with rule is Lego.
레고,
It's similar to the English pronunciation.
레고.
The fifth consonant is
미,
The sequence of writing is 3 times. Draw a line from top to bottom, and then come back, draw the giyak that you learned first session, and connect the 2 points below. Let's write it in the square again.
비음.
The word that starts with mium is hat.
모자, 모자.
In the sixth consonant is
비, 읍.
V up is written in the sequence of 4. Draw a line from top to bottom. Move to the right and draw the same line. Draw the middle points of both lines from left to right. Lastly, connect the bottom line. Let's write it in the square again.
비읍.
The word that starts with B up is sea.
바다, 바다.
The seventh consonant is
지, 옷.
in the sequence of writing. You draw a line diagonally from the top right to the bottom left. Then, draw it diagonally to the right at the midpoint. Let's write it in the square again.
시옷.
The word that starts with COT is lion.
사자, 사자.
So let's review the consonants and words that we've learned so far. If you watch it over and over again, you'll get used to it. Shall we get started?
기역,
Read it.
기, 역.
The consonants put themselves in the support of their names.
니은,
Read it.
니, 은. 니은, 디귿,
Read it.
디귿, 디귿. 리을,
Read it.
리을, 리을. 미음,
Read it.
미음, 미음. 기읍,
Read it.
비읍, 비읍. 시옷,
Read it.
시옷, 시옷.
Let's connect the consonants in related words that we've learned so far. Please pause and try to connect. Give you 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's check it out.
기, 차, 기, 차.
The second consonant.
니은, 나, 비, 나, 비.
The third consonant.
미음, 모, 자, 모, 자.
The fourth consonant.
시옷, 사, 자, 사자.
The fifth consonant.
비읍, 바다, 바다.
The sixth consonant is
디귿, 나, 리, 미, 다리미.
the last seventh consonant is
리을, 레, 고, 레고.
Today, we learned 7 consonants first. And next time we'll learn the rest of the consonants. See you next time.